Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Zishan and I like to share healthy, wholesome recipes. So today's recipe is for homemade Nimco, and for this I had to go and get the recipe from my aunt or khala, who I credit with much of the knowledge I have of cooking. So Nimco is basically your savory trail mix, and I like to make it at home because I get to control the ingredients. Most of the ones you find in the stores are deep fried and have bad oils. So let's make it ours and even better. So first of all, we're going to roast some almonds, and while those are roasting, we're going to cut one jalapeno pepper. Now I have the recipe printable on my website, so just sit back and relax. Once the almonds are roasted, we're going to chop them up. Just a rough chop will do you fine. And once that is done, we're going to prepare the oil. We're going to temper the oil that we're going to pour over the nuts and the rest of the ingredients. We'll take about 4 tablespoons of neutral oil, and I want to encourage you to find the best version of oil you can. Don't go for the vegetable oils or the canola oils that you find in stores. Avocado oil is what I use, and really the best thing you can use because it's neutral, doesn't have a taste of its own, and wait till the jalapeno is nicely blackened. Then we're going to add our curry leaves and the rest of the spices. So whole cumin and whole mustard seeds. Once those are nicely toasted, we're going to pour them and set the oil aside. Now to a bowl of about 1.5 cups of Rice Krispies, we're going to add raisins, roasted peanuts, the roasted almonds, and all the spices. Turmeric, red chili powder, salt, and a tiny bit of citric acid to give it that tang. And of course some sugar. And then now the toughest part of this recipe is just tossing everything together and making sure it's nicely coated with the spices. And the glue for the spices is this tempered oil. Just keep mixing. By the end of it, you'll see that the color is going to change to this beautiful golden yellow. And now once it's nicely marinated and all nice and coated, we're going to give it a taste test. And you guys, I would encourage you to share it because this recipe is to be shared. I think this holiday season, this would be the perfect gift to give to friends and neighbors and just share the joy. I know if I have this whole recipe, I finish it in no time, and this is definitely an indulgence. So make sure that you share. And I like to use different jars. Here I have a bigger jar, but you can use mason jar. And I like to label it with some common allergens. And that's it. Perfect for gift giving. Now to serve it, I usually just take it out in a small bowl. And Nimco is usually just enjoyed by itself, or sometimes people tend to just put it as a topping for that added crunch in chaats and different savory dishes. It's usually served at tea time, so A nice cup of tea with Nimco is just pure heaven. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and like. This just supports me in the work that I do, and I am ever so grateful. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.